is your deal? Oh my gosh. Dude, for real?
Psycho cat. Hey. Dutch. Duchess, come here.
She's crazy. We're back.
Of course we're back.
But we're back for a reason. We're back getting a duvet cover.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
She didn't believe me that they were downstairs. She thought they were upstairs.
I thought they were.
Guess who wins?
You this one time.
One time.
So this one's
The decisions that have to be made.
yeah, this one's 85% duck feathers and 15% duck down. So this 4 is a little warmer than what you have, but the 3 is 75. Oh no, hang on. This is 85% duck feathers and 15% duck down. It's still hotter as a 2 as yours is, as a 2.
What can I say? I'm a polar bear. I like to sleep cold.
But even no wait. They're all basically the same, just a little like 5% more.
Okay. Alright, we gotta figure this out.
We're at the great indoors,
Isn't it great?
where everything indoors is great.
It's fantastically great.
Looking for shower curtains. These are cool towels.
Which ones? Eh. They're alright.
Oh, they're very cool. You don't like them?
They're a little too patterny for towels.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not. If we got a simple shower curtain, no, they're not. It would bring great dimension and texture to the bathroom. It would. Ladies, wouldn't it? Tell me it would.
Guys, we live in a different world, really. What other kind of trouble can we get into? Will this turn on? I wonder if it will. Come on, turn on. Guys, my bathroom's broken. It's a fishbowl. Right?
Yes.
Fishbowl.
You can put goldfish in it.
These things creep me out. It's to clean your bum. Clean your bum. Oh, hey guys. Okay, tell the truth. How many of you actually drank out of a bidet before?
Oh my goodness.
Come on, I want the truth. Yeah? Danielle has.
Yes. I have a bidet faucet actually built into my house, and I only drink out of that.
Fair enough.
That is
She's disgusting,
my
folks.
deep and dark secret.
Let's see if we can find the most crazy expensive fridge, yeah. Whoa.
Wow.
I think we found it.
Nope.
No, didn't find it? Okay, I'm sorry, but $7,300 for a refrigerator, if that's not the most expensive, then there's something really... What the frick?
It's Viking. And it looks just like a normal fridge.
Okay, now the true test is, will it leave your butt print?
I don't know if I want to show you.
Come on. Oh, the lighting's bad, you can't really see it.
But it's there. It's definitely a...
Here, come film this. I'll get off this really quick and see if it has my whole body. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
You can't really tell.
Lame. Yeah, okay, Tempur-Pedic.
Cameron's enjoying all of the options that Tempur-Pedic has to offer. Look at that face. Cameron. Oh my gosh. That looks so uncomfortable. That's what I'm married to, folks. That's what I'm married to.
Here's a girl's best friend, chandeliers. Of course.
This one. Or that one. This one's only 400. I like that. It's pretty. Well, this is like my best friend all right here.
It's kind of my worst nightmare.
I want a chandelier that it's like good lighting in my office. Over like my office desk.
Yeah, Danielle wants a chandelier over her office desk. Does it get any girlier than that? I don't think so. You guys are gonna go through a vortex, ready? These fans are crazy. Feels like it should be in like a sci-fi movie or something. Are we done? We out of here?
Yeah, I think so.
It's the Biebs, he's everywhere. You know you want it.
It's what I've always wanted. It's only $10.
Justin Bieber toothbrushes. Aren't we over this yet?
What
Isn't
else
this
will I
over?
think of?
Isn't the Justin Bieber fever over? Ah, I rhymed a little bit.
Well, that's why it's called fever. The Bieber fever. Alright. Once again, it's late and I am going to be going to bed now. Today was really fun and I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna go to bed. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Hey, good job, guys. You made it to the end of another video. That's impressive. That's some commitment right there.
I know. We're so proud of you guys.
Man, you guys are like grown up before our very eyes. I don't even know what that means.
I don't either.
Oh, anyway. Hey, you guys want to watch Danielle get stuck in the back of a trunk? It's pretty awesome when it happens.
Yeah.
So, anyway, I've
check it out.
got some movers calling me so that we can move our stuff into our new house. So I'm gonna go, and you guys should click there and watch yesterday's video.
Yep, and make sure to subscribe to see what goes on in the future.
Ooh, the future.
Yeah.
It's like space-time continuum stuff. All right, guys. Love you. Bye!
Bye!